Hey, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. We're in the car. I'm filming on my phone, so I keep forgetting to look. That's where the camera is, not I just get confused. Yeah, we're at Asda. You can see it in the background. You can't see it in the background, but yeah, we're at Asda. We're doing a food shop. We have a list. I'm currently addicted to watching YouTube mums and people doing food shops. It's like my favourite thing to watch. I have been awake since 2 o'clock this morning. It's now 11:08 because I'm having a bad reaction to some antibiotics. I literally just sat all night and just watched YouTube videos to help me through feeling sick. So yeah, we're going to go and do a food shop. I'm going to try and do it slightly different today. So I'm going to try and film as we go around, depending on how embarrassed I am by filming in public. So if you like these videos, oh god, there's someone there as well, then give it a thumbs up. You know what to do. 10k giveaways happening at the moment. Link that. Not sure if she's giving me enough space to get out of the car. Fucking twat. Let's jump in. The first thing I needed was some paper because we've run out. There was only one big packet left, so I just got that. And then I went to fruit and veg and got some onions. I just got a really big cheap bag of onions because we go through quite a lot. And then I've got an iceberg. You always have to feel to make sure the iceberg is hard, and that means it will last longer. A couple of cucumbers. Then some cherry tomatoes on the vine, some little new potatoes. These were on offer. I got a couple of bags of these, and I'll just cook them up and we can snack on them or have them with meals. And then I got some baking potatoes. I got this little bag, and then I saw they had a bigger bag, so I got that instead. And then they had these huge bags of 7.5 kilos of just red potatoes, and these were £2.50 or something, really cheap. So I got those. Got a couple of broccoli. In hindsight, I wish I'd have done the heavy stuff first. Got a butternut squash. Got some courgettes to make some courgette muffins for the kids for the mornings. And then some strawberries. These will only last a couple of days. And then some bananas. They're all green, so I've got to wait a few days before we eat them. I got, I didn't get the biggest bag of carrots. I just got a little one, which is 25p. Super cheap to bulk things out and Nika eats them. Got a Galia melon. A really big mince. This will do 2 or 3 dinners, depending on what we're doing. I can't remember. A couple of packets of bacon. One will go into a soup that I'll make later on in the week, and then one will have a pasta. Got this whipped soft cheese, which is just so yummy. Really nice on crackers. And then a really big mature cheddar. Saw this, which looks yummy. Haven't tried it yet, but it smells really good. Some sausage rolls for Ben and Fox. Some ham for lunches. I did get Aria pepperoni from a different supermarket. Got some nappies for Fox because we nearly ran out. Go through so many, we just need to get him potty trained. Got some cheese strings for, again, pack-ups, Mika. These little cheesy things for Ari. I'm trying to get more protein into Aria so they work. Got a big box of wipes. These used to be 45p a pack, and now they're £9 for a box, which is ridiculous. I got these toilet rolls, but then I saw the Andrex ones, which are much softer, for the same amount were like only like 60p more or something, so I swapped them for the Andrex ones. I got one roll of kitchen roll and a Fairy Up liquid, just a cheap one. Bag of, I normally buy the cheapest dishwasher tablets, but they didn't have any, so I ended up getting those ones on offer. Some cream cheese. I really like these Ski Smooth yogurt, yummy. And then I got myself, these are brand new, I've not seen these before and they look yummy. Salted caramel vanilla protein puddings. So I got a couple of those. I like to have these in the morning instead of a proper breakfast because I'm not the biggest fan of eating first thing in the morning. But these are just nice and light. Got the kids some of their yogurts. Those ones are for lunch boxes because they fit in nicely. And I got Ben these. I got some nacho cheese for Nacho Wednesday. I had to get some pasta because we ran out for the first time ever. Our house has no pasta in it, which is just weird. I got Action Man bow ties and seashells. And then I got some spaghetti as well, but I forgot to film that. I got some butter. Some black pepper and some onion granules. I was a bit poorly with my antibiotics, and so the doctor said get some probiotics, so I got that. And some eggies. We go through so many eggs, it's ridiculous. Got a couple of passata for like spaghettis and stuff and curries. Some chickpeas for my chickpea curry. Beans, because again we ran out of beans. It's just weird, like we always have beans, we always have pasta, and we ran out of both. Coconut milk for the soup that me and Ari made today. Some purple squash for the kids. I went for the cheapest plain crisps because the kids go through them. They have like one bag each a day, so I just got a couple of those. Mika's not allowed crisps at school, so I got her some popcorn to have instead. I'm hoping this will be okay, but it's a new school, so I don't really know the rules yet. This is for their pudding. They like to have strawberries with chocolate sauce. Ben needed a peanut butter. Couple of milks. This will last us like 3 days. We go through so much milk. Fox still likes to drink it occasionally as well. Some bread. I wish I'd got a different one. I've never had this one before, but it's so thin. I'm not a fan. I got these for the kids to have. Thought they look nice. Cookies for our pudding last night because I couldn't bother to cook one. Crumpets. Aria and Fox have decided recently that they love crumpets, so they kind of have one before bed if they fancy something. Some wraps. These work for pack-ups and then just for me and Ben as well to have for lunches. Some chips. Normally I did buy the value chicken nuggets a couple of weeks ago and the kids liked them, but they didn't have them this week, so I just got these ones. Cupcake cases for our courgette muffins. Corn and peas. Freezer. Vanilla. Decaf coffee. I really ran out of that as well. It's just a week of everything running out. These are for Mika's lunchbox. Again, I don't know if she's going to be allowed them or not at school, but we'll see. What else was I getting on this one? These again, I thought she might be allowed them. I just don't know. Like these again, not sure. I haven't had any communications from the school whatsoever as to what she can and can't have in her lunch boxes. But I've seen some kids have like 12s and stuff, so I don't see why she can't have a little caramel bar or a little thing of cookies if someone's allowed just solid chocolate. Ziploc bags. The big boy kitty cat food, to be there, it doesn't really matter what I put down, they just eat what they want. The little kitten eats the big boys and the big boys eat the kitten food, and that was it. Oh my goodness, that was such a big shop. I'm hoping that's worked. £157. I'll convert it into dollars and stuff on the screen. That was a really big one, but I haven't been properly in a couple of weeks, so And obviously it's back to school next week, so I had to get loads of stuff for pack ups, so I'll unpack it at home and then we can sit and have a chat about the meal plan.
Next day.
Hey, it's the next day and I thought I'd come and talk to you quickly about the meal plan. So tonight we're having jagged potatoes. Last night we were meant to have homemade fish and chips, but I didn't feel very well, so we just ended up giving the kids some nuggets and chips. Me and Aria just made butternut squash soup for lunch, which was delicious, and a loaf of soda bread. We are having meatballs one night. We're having chicken wraps, possibly. We're going to have the fish and chips another night. Thursday we're going to Pizza Hut because it's Mika's birthday. We're going to have risotto one night, I think. I will put the full meal plan in the description box. Yeah, and then the kids, Mika has hot dinner 2 or 3 times a week. Granddad is paying for that. And then the rest of the time she'll have home packed lunch. And she likes to have ham, hummus and cheese sandwiches. Or just ham sandwich or just ham and hummus. A combination of the 3. Fox will be at home for lunches with me. So he'll just have sandwiches and toast and whatever he wants. Eggs. Aria has school pack-ups. She still gets them free for another year. So, yeah, that was this week's shop. I'm hoping this will last us like 10 days to 2 weeks. Other than fresh stuff, we'll have to go and get more fruit and veg and milk in a few days. But other than that, we should be good for nearly 2 weeks. So, yeah, thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I love you, bye.